Just wait in the living room. This is what I saw. Everybody's asleep. Lazy bones. So Ashley just got accepted into a college of choice, but we won't say the name.
Number one.
The number one she wanted, so she's very happy we just got the letter. Your birthday balloons are holding up well. That's just doing a look type thing. Look at that pile of clothes. That's Ashley's wardrobe. I just washed all that and look where it is. Some of her birthday cards from home. See ya.
Bye. Say hi. Dad.
What?
Say hi.
Hey. Oh.
Louie.
Can't see it. Why?
This is Louie for you. Feeling much better now, aren't you, Lou? Huh? Ear flip back, legs in the air. Here's Madam. We're going to do some work on the computer, right, Ronks? Got to enter some of these pictures so they can go up to the lab. Yes, we do. And it's cruddy out. Nice rainy day. Boo. Pretty. Gross. Beginning to wonder if summer's ever going to come, aren't we? Oh, you flipped to the other side. Well done. It's rain. It's just rain, Wally. Rain. It's rain. Where's Ashley? Where's she at school? Oh, got the kettle going and the water running. At least the things are starting to bloom. Let's wash dishes. Upsie. Got the furniture ready. Come on, spring, spring. Tired. It's 52 degrees. Exciting. Can you see the rain? Rainy rain. Well, that's about as much as it's going on until Ash comes home. Right, Louie? Right, Sue. Matt and Jeff. Okay, got that accomplished. Made it to there anyway. Tea's made. Right, Roxy, we're going to go get to work. Need my phone. Let's see. Weather doesn't look good for the upcoming week here. Let's have a look. Rain, rain, rain. Wednesday, is that Wednesday? No, Thursday sun, Friday sun. Doesn't like to focus. Ah, there we go. A little bit. Anyway. Come on, Louie and Rox, you're going to help me do what I've got to do. These have to be entered. Rox, you going to come in here? You're going to go for the mail, aren't you? Come on. Let's turn this one on. What are you doing, madam? Please stop that. She looks innocent. Are you innocent? Come on, come help me. Roxy. You look like a statue. Come on. Alright, time to work. Enough nonsense.